So you're looking for a way to get shiny waves? Look no more. I'm about to tell you right now in this video. How do you get shiny waves? How do you really think you get shiny waves? You think it just comes naturally? Some people just have naturally shiny hair. Well, the truth is, it can be many ways, many, different things you can do to make your hair shiny. So let's discuss them. One thing you can do is consider what products you use. I have this shea butter by Softy. I got it for like really cheap. I can't remember the price. It might be on here somewhere. It's not. But yeah, I got it for really cheap. This is what it looks like on the inside. It smells pretty good. I usually not usually, because I don't use it that often, but whenever I do use it, it adds a lot of shine, and it does, what I use it for. I usually only use it for shine, like nothing else. There's no other reason for me to use this. I mean, it's not like better than any pomades or moisturizers that I have. The only thing I use it for is this, but this is not like the only thing this is not like the only product I have that adds shine, not the only grease. I have more. Also, you can use oils. This is 7 Juices hair oil by Coldlabel. This is what that looks like. Pretty nice product. I like it. Adds pretty considerable amount of shine to my hair, because it's an oil. Oils are shiny. When your face is oily, how does your face look? Shiny, right? So same thing with your hair. When your hair is shiny, when your hair is oily, then it's shiny. It's naturally shiny. Not naturally, because you just added something which made it not natural, but yeah. Also, what you can do after you add those products, use a soft brush. Brush your hair with the soft brush. It's gonna lay your hair down, right? After you soft brush, go ahead and get a plastic bag and do the plastic bag method. If you've never heard of the plastic bag method, it's basically, actually I'm about to make a video on the plastic bag method anyway, so stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss out on it. It's gonna help out your waves. It's gonna help them lay down. It's gonna help them get silky, shiny. This is everything you need. Plastic bag. Oh yeah, okay, so you add some type of shiny grease, add some type of oil, plastic bag method, soft brush. Yeah, that's pretty much. I mean, you could drink a lot of water. That ties into how to get silky hair. I'm gonna get into that in another video. But yeah, this is how to get shiny waves, so we're just gonna stick to this topic. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure to like this video. Like it, like right now. Like it. You know how you have your phone right now? How it's like landscape mode. Turn it like this, portrait mode. Like the video, and then subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you already are subscribed. But if you haven't, then go ahead right now, and then leave a comment. Any comment. Alright, that's it for this video. I'm WaveManMike. Enjoy your day.